Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha and we're going to plan in my classic happy planner for Christmas. So, Merry Christmas. This is the week with the actual Christmas day. I have been kind of decorating for Christmas all month, but this is actual Christmas, so that's exciting. I'm literally just got out like the seasonal sticker book and seasonal type teacher book. I figured I would use these again for Christmas. And I do have the Christmas and Christmas Eve stickers. These were from the Happy Illustrations book. They're like all that's left from it, so I'm gonna use those. But first I'm gonna start with the basics, I guess. I don't know. What do you call it? The stuff that I do every time that is more for functionality. Let's see. It is not a payday, so I don't need bills to pay. So what I do need is a to-do list and a meal plan. We planning this in advance, so I don't know what I'm doing for Christmas yet, so I don't know if I'll need a packing list or just another to-do list, or maybe a present list. I don't know, but what I am going to do is just make, I think, a to-do list. Christmas is at the front, this one. Got this red polka dotted washi. And I'll just put it down, and then I guess I can use today as my meal plan. It's what we're cooking today. Yeah, I definitely cut through that paper again. I liked it kind of better with it behind there, but it's too late. I cut it. Okay, I need my habit tracker box right there. So I'm thinking, I usually have a little bit of extra space, and maybe use this washi to decorate around the habit tracker this time. Okay, that's kind of cute. And let's see. So I think that's all the things that I know I need. That's that day. So we could technically use all 3 of these if we wanted. Do we want that? Yeah, we'll figure out a way to make it work. And I think the rest I'm just gonna pick out stickers and put them on, see how it looks, decorate. So I'm probably just gonna have music from here on out. So let's go. Okay, so I think that's where I'm going to stop now. I think it turned out pretty cute. It's a little bit, like, more on the days than I feel like I would normally be okay with. But it's Christmas, so I'm going to be enjoying my time and not doing as much stuff. So I won't have as much stuff to do in my planner, so I can have more room for decoration. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can get notified when I put up new videos. And that's all I got. Thanks. Bye. Have a Merry Christmas.